Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a mind blowing and a game changer automation which is AI Invoice Agent. All we need to do is upload an invoice in a Telegram and it will give the best output data which takes all the image parsing and give the best data. So let's try the workflow by testing it. So when testing this workflow now. So image is parsing and getting breakdown and uploading it to Dropbox and sending mail. At last, sending to AI agent. We'll get back with updates in the Telegram. See here, the output is, hey there, thank you for submitting your invoice. The total and the due date and it is stored in the Google Sheets. You can view here. So this is how the AI invoice agent has become a breakthrough. Let's start by getting down to the workflow. Let's break down the workflow into chunks. Starting with the Telegram trigger. So Telegram with the credentials, and we need to use the trigger on as a message because we need to use trigger on as a message because it has to trigger the workflow by sending a message in an A10. It has to trigger the workflow in an A10. The next thing is, after sending the information through file, we need to get file by using get method from Telegram. So the resource is file and the operation is get. All we need to do is drag and drop the file ID from here, drag and drop the file ID from here, and then you'll get the output data. So if you want to download the output file, you can keep the option as download. The next thing is to examine the file using OCR, where this OCR helps in parsing the image and getting the exact details such as billing information from the document. For example, if you see the parsed text here, it shows invoice number and the date of issue and authorized by content at scale. So all this been using by the OCR image parsing, and it will provide an API key, and we need to send headers and the name, value, and the body content type. Parameter is an item binary file, and the name of the file is just given as a file. So you'll get the data here. These are the parsed results that has been examined by the OCR. And the next one is to break down data from this is an unstructured data. All we need to do is make it a structured format. So for that, we've been using a custom code to make the billing information in a proper and structured manner, easy for the nodes to extract the data. So here is the output for it. I can provide this code in the description as well. So if you see here, the invoice number, invoice date, billing address, due date, and the notes all have been structured. All we need to get better with the eyes. The next node is get file. So after breaking down these aspects, we need to make these parsed and structured data into a file. All we need to do is get file with the file ID. So we can drag and drop. If you want, you can use this download option. And then the next one is to upload the file what we got into the Dropbox. For me, I've been using the Dropbox. You can use the Google Drive as well. So I'm using here the Dropbox. You can use the Google Drive as well to upload the file. So you can see the operation is upload and the file path has been given. So this is a binary file, and the input binary file is a data. So you'll get the output like name, path display ID, server, all these things. And the next thing is to edit field option. All we need to do is edit field option whenever you want to use a certain kind of information, such as invoice number, date, amount, and due date. I only need these four at the moment, so I've been using the edit field, and it's an optional thing. You can use this or you might not, depending upon the factors that you are using. And then all the information been storing in the Google Sheets for the team to get uh, what are the data has been stored. So the data has been stored in by using the row append row operation, and then document, and then sheets, mapping these codes by using invoice number, date, total amount, billing address, due date, and the notes. All has to be drag and drop from there, from the edit fields. So you can see the output here. All the 6 nodes will get as an output. Later on, we need to send this to the mail of the customer, such as saying subject as invoice processed, and then a regular template such as saying, hi there, your invoice has been processed, total amount, due date. You can see the output here. So in this way, the email has been generated to the customer. And then the AI agent, the prompt message is invoice info file name. The Google Sheets link will be given to the AI agent as a prompt, but the system message has been very important. For example, you can see the system role as you are a friendly invoice assistant, and then thanks the user for submitting the invoice and share the total amount and due date. The output format will be like this. Hey there, thanks for submitting your invoice, total, due date, and this data has been stored in the Google Sheets that we have done before. So the chart model is OpenAI chart model, and this will be stored in the simple memory. So you can see the simple memory. The next thing is the last thing is to get back to the Telegram. After we upload the file, the AI agent will send you an output, and this output will come back as our Telegram output. For example, we'll get the output like this. Hey there, thanks for submitting your invoice, your total, and will be stored in the Google Sheets. That's all the workflow is. If you found this information helpful, so get a like button, and you can subscribe as well, and keep the subscribe button on so you'll get more notifications on this, and many more workflows has to come. I'll try to keep as many videos as I can. So thank you for subscribing.